guys, welcome to another episode of Middletime Family Foods and Gardening. Hope you guys are all having a good evening. Times have been a little rough here. Trying to work through some things with me and my wife, and we just sometimes we can do some, we can say and do some silly stuff to each other, and regret it later, and trying to figure out why things are the way they are, and why life is as difficult as it is. Life has this way of having a lot of mystery and uncertainty, and almost, and a lot of times unfair. Things are just unfair. Sometimes it's caused by people. Sometimes it's caused by unexplainable situations. I mean, there's just a lot of challenge in life, and I'll just be the first one honest. I didn't do very good today. My wife and I, neither one did very good today. We kind of really got at each other today, and we just trying to work through some stuff still. And sometimes we just either look into the things the wrong way or make the bad choices or whatever it may be, man. I told you when I first started this channel that the good, bad, and the ugly, and I definitely am not going to hide behind a screen and pretend that everything's always good and put a big smile on my face when things are not so good. And so this is just one of those transparencies, especially when you're married. You married couples out there know there's hardly any married couple that doesn't at least have some kind of problems or issues or misunderstandings or difficulties or even like really crazy stuff that can happen in a marriage that you have to learn to grow and work through. And it takes real commitment not to give up. It takes real commitment to just try to continue to work through it. The best thing for us, any of us, is if we can be humble. But it's hard sometimes, man. You let our pride get in the way. We get offended. We get mad. We get upset. We say things we shouldn't say to each other. Just the way things are, man. It's unfortunate. But anyway, I didn't get on here for that, for this necessarily. I want to do a little burn tonight. I feel real bad, and one of those things, like, life has its reasons for things happening, man. And I'm really sorry for Jayson Pettibone and, the loss of his sister and the things that they're going through as a family. And then, his sister's children and husband. And, I can only imagine what that is like to lose somebody, and I don't know how, what happened or any of that things. I just know that she suddenly, is not here any longer. And I know that there's people are, reaching out and sharing condolences and, caring for Jayson and love Jayson and his family. And they're doing a raffle. KRIS from SCOVILLE unit. If you're watching this, maybe you don't know. He's actually doing a raffle where a bunch of individuals sent in or mailed or gave a bunch of sauces, seasonings, seeds, challenges, merchandise, shirts, whatever, stuff like that. And there's a raffle. It's $10 per ticket. And they're going to do a drawing, and there's supposed to be more than multiple winners. I think they're going to go with, because there's so much stuff that was given. So get a hold of. It's on. You got to get a hold of KRIS. I don't know how to say his last name. FRAGALE, FRAGALE, FRAGALE. KRIS with a K, KRIS. You can find him on Facebook, or get a hold of me, and I'll get you there. If you want to buy a ticket. I think they're doing tickets through PayPal and Venmo are the two places that you purchase the raffle tickets. And they're $10 a piece for a bunch of stuff. So anyway, it's to raise money for Jayson's sister's family, for, got kids and a husband that lost their mom and wife. And so it'd be a great help to reach out and to be a blessing and buy, purchase a ticket, if it's just one. Anyway, so I'm going to do a burn tonight. I'm going to be doing some Late for Work. That's Jayson's YouTube channel. And I'm going to do a full Robbie. It's the only thing I got it from him. He actually gave me these. He mailed these to me a while back. And I've got Wake and Bacon. And I've got the, let me get this right here real quick. And then we've got the Swamp Tea. And so I got these all Robbied up, full Robbie, almost all the way to the top, if I could get them. And we're going to sit here and burn a little bit for, Jayson, and the loss of his sister, and just, you know, to give a shout out to reaching out about this raffle. And if you guys know Jayson, I'm sure everybody that knows him knows what's going on, and you probably already said something to him. But anyway, Jayson, if you watch this, man, love you, buddy. Praying you guys get through this. And I know life has its challenges, man, and uncertainties, and you don't know why things happen the way they do, man. But God is still God, and and we still, you know, if you guys are believers in the Lord, is to trust in Him and give our lives to Him, even when we're not perfect. I know that I'm not. I've made a lot of mistakes, and I've done a lot of things that I shouldn't do. And even as a Christian, as a follower of Jesus, I've made a mess of some things. I find that it just happens. And anyway, things happen to us that we don't ask for sometimes, and it's just part of the fallen nature in life. Jesus said, in this life you will have trouble, but be of good cheer. He had overcame the world. But in this life you will have trouble. That's what he said. So anyway, let's get into this. All right. If I can get these open without making a mess. Oop. I don't have it. I'm holding it with my hand. Camera in my hand. This ought to be interesting. Pull this guy up. Almost a full Robbie. He's got just a little bit on the, look where I'm at. A little bit on the end here. So here we go. That was awakened bacon. Oh, it's good. Tastes like, let's pepper forward. It's got, oh, there's that bacon. I taste that bacon now. I tasted that bacon before. Oh. And the swamp tea. Oh. Woo. That's warm. Not a hiccup, but a belch. Oh, it's pretty warm. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a good day, good weekend. That your Christmas is merry, and you have a happy New Year. Got a little hiccup there. Oh, there's Sonny boy. Oh, a little bit warm. Warm. My hiccups.
Hello.
If you guys that pray, man, pray for Jayson and his family. Whoa. Oh boy. Ooh. Sweating. Chest is burning good.
Fall down.
Oh. Wow.
Okay.
Oh wow. Any prayer for me and my wife too. I hate when we struggle. It's a reality. Sometimes. I love my wife. I believe that she loves me. Hell, man. That's what makes me cough. Oh. Woo. Oh. Oh. Woo. chest and stomach's on fire.
Yeah.
Ugh. Tingling good, man. Pretty warm stuff. If you guys ain't checked out that late for work, I got a lot of tincture, merchandise. Him and Sergeant Dunn are doing a jerky challenge here coming up. Get a hold of them on it. A lot of cool stuff. Help support these small businesses, guys. All right, man. My time's getting up there. I love you guys. Appreciate you guys. Thank you for the support. Please subscribe. My subscribe has been really slow this month, and if you guys order our season, we got a seasoning business too, and early on in our stages, and we're slow on business. And I appreciate you guys. I sell some really awesome seasonings to you guys. Get a hold of me on Facebook Messenger. All right, guys, love you. Have a good one.